Welcome to the School of Crypto Lights YouTube channel.
What if I told you that just holding the right cryptocurrencies in 2025 could change your financial future forever? Imagine waking up one day to see your investment grow 5x, 10x, or even more. Light bulb, but here's the thing. Picking the right coins is tricky. Some will make you rich, while others will disappear overnight. So, in this video, I'll show you the top crypto coins to hold in 2025 that have real potential to explode in value. Direct hit, and make sure to watch till the end because I'll reveal one hidden gem that most people don't know about. But it could be a game changer. Fire, alright, let's get into it. Before we jump into the list, let's talk about why 2025 is so important for crypto. White heavy checkmark Bitcoin halving. Every 4 years, Bitcoin goes through a process called halving, where the rewards for mining get cut in half. This reduces the supply of Bitcoin, making it rarer, and in the past it has caused the price to skyrocket. Chart increasing more crypto adoption. Big companies and even governments are starting to use crypto. This means more people will buy and hold crypto, pushing prices higher. High voltage better technology. New upgrades in blockchain technology will make crypto faster, cheaper, and more useful. This will help some coins grow bigger than ever. Fire, now that you know why 2025 is a big deal. Let's get into the list of top coins to hold. First on the list is Bitcoin. This is the biggest and safest crypto to hold. Every time Bitcoin halves, its price goes up over time. Experts believe it could hit $100,000 or even $200,000 in the next few years. Pushpin why hold Bitcoin? Limited supply, only 21 million Bitcoins will ever exist. As demand grows, price will rise. Institutional investment. Big companies like Tesla and MicroStrategy are buying Bitcoin. If they believe in it, maybe we should too. The safest long-term bet in crypto. Next up, we have Ethereum, the second biggest cryptocurrency. If Bitcoin is digital gold, Ethereum is the foundation of the crypto world. It powers thousands of apps, NFTs, and even other cryptocurrencies. Pushpin why hold Ethereum? Ethereum 2.0 upgrade. It's now faster and cheaper to use, used by banks and companies. Many businesses use Ethereum to build applications. Price prediction? Some say it could hit $10,000 by 2025. Now, let's talk about Solana. This coin is known for being super fast and cheap to use. Unlike Ethereum, which can sometimes be slow and expensive, Solana can process thousands of transactions per second. Pushpin why hold Solana? Super fast and low fees big projects are being built on Solana could become a top competitor to Ethereum. Rocket, some experts believe SOL could hit $500 or more in the next bull run. This one is different. Chainlink is not just another coin. It helps connect crypto with real-world data. Without Chainlink, many crypto projects wouldn't even work. Pushpin why hold Chainlink? Used by banks, insurance companies, and smart contracts, a major player in crypto security and data, could rise to $100 plus in 2025. Fire. This is one coin that has real-world use cases, and it's only getting bigger. Ever tried sending crypto and had to pay high fees? That's where Polygon comes in. It helps Ethereum work faster and cheaper. Many developers love using it. Pushpin why hold Polygon? Partners with major companies like Meta and Disney makes crypto transactions cheaper and faster, could easily 5x in 2025. Alright, as promised, here's a hidden gem that could explode in 2025. Fire Render Token, RNDR. This coin is used for cloud computing and 3D rendering. As AI and virtual reality grow, Render could become a huge project in the future. Pushpin why hold Render Token? The AI and metaverse industries are booming. Many experts believe it could be the next big thing. Very undervalued right now. Rocket, if you're looking for a high-risk, high-reward crypto. This might be it. XRP is one of the most talked about cryptos in the world. It's designed to help banks and financial institutions transfer money instantly, across borders. Instead of waiting days to send money overseas, XRP can do it in seconds. Pushpin why hold XRP? It's backed by major banks and payment companies. Super fast and low transaction fees. If it wins its legal battles, its price could skyrocket. Rocket experts predict XRP could hit $5 or even higher by 2025. Cardano is known as the Ethereum killer because it's aiming to do everything Ethereum does, but better. It's one of the most energy-efficient and secure blockchains out there. Pushpin, why hold Cardano? Eco-friendly and scalable technology. Has a strong community and real-world use cases. Price prediction. Some believe it could hit $3 to $5 in the next bull run. Fire. If you missed Ethereum's early days, Cardano might be the next best bet. Polkadot. DOT. Connecting blockchains together. Ever wish different crypto networks could talk to each other? That's exactly what Polkadot does. It allows different blockchains to connect and share information easily. Pushpin, why hold Polkadot? Solves one of the biggest problems in crypto, interoperability. Backed by strong developers and a growing ecosystem. Potential to hit $50 or more in 2025. Lightbulb. If you believe in the future of interconnected blockchains, Polkadot is worth holding. So there you have it, the top crypto to hold in 2025. If you're serious about growing your money with crypto, these coins have strong potential. Fire, but remember, crypto is risky, and prices can go up and down. So always do your own research and never invest money you can't afford to lose. Pushpin question for you. Which of these coins do you already own, and which one are you planning to buy next? Drop your answers in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. White heavy checkmark if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more crypto tips and updates. Waving hand, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy investing!